我教外国人说中国人真的会说的中文。This small word can make your Chinese sound much softer. Today, the key word is 吧. Many beginners say 我们走 but we usually say 我们走吧我们走吧 Ba makes the sentence sounds more natural and softer. Another one, people say 你吃 but we usually say 你吃吧你吃吧 or 吃吧吃吧 It sounds more friendly. One more, people say 你坐 but we usually say 你坐吧你坐吧 It's more polite. When ending a conversation, people usually say 我走了 It sounds very direct, so we often say 我先走吧我先走吧 Now it's more relaxed. Remember, small word makes huge difference. This is Real Chinese. Follow me for more Real Chinese.